Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Euro USD, one of my favorite pairs. I think somebody asked me about my thoughts on Euro USD, whether I'm trading it or what am I doing, what's happening with Euro USD, because it's definitely one of my top pairs to trade because it's so simple. So at the moment, I enjoy doing swing trading, but there's not been a lot of opportunities to swing trade this thing since we touched the $1 is to equals to €1 level, this level, which is called parity in simple English, parity, where $1 is equal to €1. So there hasn't really been a lot of things to do. I've not been holding trades for too long. I think I scalped it a bit here, but definitely I'm not looking to buy yet. I'm not looking to buy yet because I still believe that there is still pressure. There's still pressure on Euro USD because the ECB has, in my opinion, been lagging behind the Fed. That's why the dollar has just been gaining strength. The dollar has just been buying and buying and buying, and the euro has just been losing strength because the ECB has sort of been lagging behind the Fed. So, what I'm hoping or what I'm looking for is probably that we are going to come and tap into this zone or maybe this area there, and we are then going to see another move to this level again. If then we have this move and it actually is a convincing move, then I know that obviously sentiment has changed. But for now, it looks like we might still push to the downside. That's why, obviously, that's why people trade with stop losses. And that's why people are always cautioned to what? To wait, wait, wait. Waiting is a skill when it comes to these things. Don't just rush in, thinking you will suddenly make a lot of money. Let me try and zoom out a bit. So so we might see something play out like that. I'm not saying it's going to play out. I'm not saying it's going to play out tomorrow. I'm not saying it's going to play out next week. Let me just believe that. But I'm just telling you or giving you some reasons why I haven't been really taking any long-term trades on Euro USD. So this I see it basically as a trap, for anybody who is looking to take any long-term trades using this. If you're going to take buys at the moment, I think you are just going to scalp this thing. What you want to do is just go to the 10-minute time frame and just put your buying opportunities there, buy and get out, buy and get out. But don't try to hold those trades forever. Don't try to hold those trades forever because I think if we go back to the daily, I don't think this pressure that brought us to this level is done yet. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. I don't think this pressure that brought us to this level here is done yet. In any case, I'm hoping that we are going to come to this level, test it and test around it a bit, or this level and test around it a bit, then come back again. I want us to come back again to this level and hold it before I can consider that we are buying. If we don't hold this level, if we don't hold this level, I see us continuing to go to the downside. So yeah, I love to swing and I love Euro USD, but at the moment, yeah, it's not looking good for long-term trades. Uh, that's the level that we are, and definitely we are probably to see some movement going this way. It's just my opinion. It's just my opinion. We might want to come and dance around or test these laws. It's just my opinion. I don't know what you think about Euro USD. You can leave your comments in the comment section below. Are you trading Euro USD? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. Like the video if you learn one or two things. If I entertain you for a few minutes, just go ahead and like the video. That's the least you can do for me. So yeah, if you're also looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are also links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, many people always ask me about that. See the link in the description box below. With just $5, you can start trading a real live trading account, and you can use that to test your Forex robots, your strategies, your indicators, and everything. So yeah, go ahead and sign up with them using the link in the description box below. So yeah, that's my outlook on Euro USD. At the moment, I just it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game, really. And um, that's the key with trading. You don't want to just rush in blindly. Uh, Again, this pressure for sales, I really need to see it come back or be anticipate somewhere here before I can consider buying. So if you're going to be buying this thing, my advice is definitely just look for scalping opportunities. I love to swing trade, but I've also been forced to actually go back to scalping because there is really not yet an opportunity for me to hold long-term trades with this thing yet. So we'll see what happens with Euro USD when it comes back again to this area. And definitely, yeah, I'll keep you posted when I take those long-term trades. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next videos. Bye.